What's up, my little Majewel dates, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we're gonna be making a boneless pork tenderloin. Easy, healthy, and quick. Let's do this. Alright, so today we got Cam J filming. Say what up. What's up? So why pork tenderloin? I find like people get so weird about cooking pork sometimes. Like, oh, like, you know, I don't know how to cook pork, so I don't deal with it. It's like, it's so easy to make and it's so quick that we gotta go through this, right? I mean, this is gonna be like super quick. This video can't be more than like a few minutes, right? And most of that time is just Cam J wasting time anyway. Oh, I'm wasting time? So you wanna find yourself a new cameraman then? And so with that being said, let's get started. Preheat your oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so we got ourselves a 1 pound tenderloin. You want to go like 1 to 1.5 pounds. First thing we're going to do is trim off this white piece. This is called silver skin and we don't need it. We'll just take that and we'll throw it to the side. Oh, that's strike 2. Next, let's make a quick spice rub. So I made a rendition of this rub based off a Food Network recipe, so kudos to them. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of thyme, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Finish that off with about a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this up quick, and let's go back to our tenderloin. We're gonna coat this with a little bit of grapeseed oil. I do grapeseed oil over olive oil because it has a higher smoking point. Okay, I think we forgot to record the seasoning part. Let's try to go over this again. I used my left hand for seasoning to keep it dry, right hand to rub it in and flip it. Whole thing is coated pretty good and we still have a little bit of seasoning left over. This is a smaller one. This is a 1 pounder. If it's 1.5, you'll probably use the whole thing. Alright, we got a cast iron pan on medium-high heat. You don't need a cast iron pan, but it's much quicker to cook it this way. Tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Alright, let's throw this guy in here. We're gonna sear this on all 4 sides for about 2 minutes. Extra credit? Why not? Alright, that's looking perfect. Alright, let's throw that into our 450 degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Let's grab a thermometer and check the temperature. We're going for about 145 and we are there. Alright, let's throw that on our cutting board and we're gonna let that rest for about 10 minutes. We wanna let those juices distribute back into the meat. We're waiting! Alright, it's been 10 minutes, let's start slicing this guy up. And check it out, perfectly cooked on the inside, just a slight, tiny hint of rose in the middle, but still perfectly juicy. Alright, maybe just finish that off with a little bit of fresh parsley. And you're ready to serve. Whoa. And you're ready to serve. Perhaps with some Hasselback butternut squash that we made in our last episode. And there you guys have it, pork tenderloin. So easy, so quick, healthy, and it's good. What more could you want? Here, buddy. Thanks for helping me. You deserve this. Thank you. That's good pork tenderloin. I got it from here. Why would you think that would work? I don't know, dude. I saw it somewhere. Pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin. If you guys like that, smash the like button. If you guys hated it, violently smash the dislike button. If you guys want to see more for some reason, hit the subscribe button. We're doing new videos every week. And say hey in the comments. Thank you guys.